Today I want to show you how to install a cluster manager in your OpenShift Local cloud environment this time. We've already installed it locally on our computer, but now we're going to build one that can scale. It's a cluster manager that helps scale applications, but it can also scale itself, which is pretty cool. Let me show you the code to get started. It's at github.com/computate-org/smartabayar-smartvillage. You can check out OpenShift, Customize, Bundles, Zookeeper. This is the Apache Zookeeper cluster manager. It's my favorite. We'll install the base components, which are the Zookeeper operator subscription, a namespace for Zookeeper, and an Argo CD application to install everything else, all the other Zookeeper components. To get started, I'll check out my OpenShift Local environment with crc start in the terminal. This is going to tell me where the console is. So I'll go to my console. I'll log in as kubeadmin and copy the login command for kubeadmin so that I can deploy these things in the terminal. So I grab a token like this and I paste it in my terminal, and now I'm connected. Now I want to pull up Argo CD because this is fun to see working in Argo CD. Routes, project Argo CD, and I'll log into here. So we've already installed many other things. Now we're going to install the Zookeeper cluster manager. So all I need to do is OC apply-k for customize. OpenShift. First I'm going to go to home/.local src smartabayar smartvillage and then run OC apply-k OpenShift customize bundles Zookeeper base. Now this went and created the Zookeeper application right here. And you can click on it and see all of the components that Zookeeper created. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the Zookeeper operator and installed operators. This is it right here, Zookeeper operator. And let's check out our Zookeeper clusters. We're going to switch to the Zookeeper namespace, which was created. Go back to Zookeeper operator, Zookeeper cluster. You can see that we have a Zookeeper cluster that's ready. Let's take a look here. It says it's ready. Resources. It's got some services and config maps. Now let's take a look at the pods. Here you see two Zookeeper cluster managers running. So let's see. Let's take a look at the YAML for this, because in here there should be replicas. Replicas 2. That shows you that it created two pods, 0 and 1, and everything looks good. So that's wonderful. Let's see where else. Let's see, is this a stateful set? Yeah. So the stateful set says 2 pods. And there you have it. This we're going to use to scale our applications. We're going to build reactive, asynchronous applications, and they're going to connect to the cluster manager so that they can share the load of requests coming into the API and the website, and also back-end tasks that need to run, and share the load between worker verticals and worker threads, so that you can share the load in the back end and the front end. So I hope that was useful. Stay tuned for more about building clustered applications that are reactive and asynchronous. And thanks for watching.